here's a nice example of a piece of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. The colours in this are running across the stone. You can see a band there, but it's actually running this way, I think. Shows up there. Possibly cut it through here with a saw, and then follow that, and maybe follow that as a long skinny stone. Stone's wetted and it's reflecting a lot of the light. I've wiped some of the water off there for you. I think that's sort of showing a bit better. Actual colour bar anyway. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at that. It's not very expensive, this piece. Cheers.